We will take what you have learned about group collaboration in Microsoft Teams and explore how it looks in action. You will be provided with several examples of how instructors can use Teams to engage students in both whole class discussions and small group projects using built-in tools and features. First, we will start off by looking at examples of whole class collaboration. One way to build in whole class collaboration is by having weekly check-in posts. Instructors can use the general channel to post these weekly check-ins and ask questions like, what's one thing you've learned this week? These prompts help students reflect and stay engaged with the course content. Another example of whole class collaboration could be including something like an Ask Anything channel or a Questions Corner channel. This is where students can post questions and sometimes even answer each other's questions, and it really helps build a culture of shared support. Another great idea could be having summary posts or short videos and posting them to the general channel to address similar questions that multiple students might be asking you in private chats or group chats. This really helps students and pulls in those students who may not feel comfortable enough yet to reach out and makes them feel more comfortable and confident in the course. One other great way to really bring in that whole class collaboration would be to create polls or forms to gather feedback and kind of keep a pulse on how students are doing or feeling in the class. You can ask things like, how confident do you feel in this week's lesson, or what's still unclear. These tools really help guide instruction and also ensure that every student's voice is heard, and also can help you tailor individual instruction as well. Now let's go ahead and review some examples of small group collaboration. Instructors can create small group collaboration by creating custom channels for any kind of projects or group work. So you can label these as Group 1, Group 2, and they act as little private hubs where students can post updates, ask questions, and stay organized within their teams. You can even make it private, which I would recommend, to make sure only those specific group members have access and are involved in those groups, in those channels. Within those group channels that you just created, the students also have shared documents, which means you can create a Word document, Excel workbook, OneNote page, where all of the students have access to edit it and make changes, which makes it really easy for those small groups to brainstorm together, divide responsibilities, give feedback, and also allows the instructor to collaborate with them as well in these documents. Lastly, a great way to get that small group collaboration is by sharing details with each group. So as the instructor, you can post in each group and maybe share the project checklists or timelines, or even some guiding questions that can help kind of steer the group to what they want to focus on or things they want to check in about. It really helps them to stay on track and keeps the momentum going, and also gives them an opportunity to ask questions to the instructor that they might not understand.